Hi and welcome back. I hope you had fun designing your blog button. This is tutorial part 2 about how you can go ahead and convert the design that you made in Microsoft Word as a picture file that works to upload anywhere that you can online. So welcome back to TBA. In tutorial, the first part 1, I showed you how to go ahead and take this design and put all the pieces together. What were those pieces? We had some background pieces, we had some text boxes that we use, as well as snippets from our blog or little objects clip art that we put in. Now if I was to try and convert this into a picture, it wouldn't work just because all of these pieces are separate, as you can see how I'm clicking on them. What we want to do is group these objects together in order to convert them as one piece. So by clicking on a piece, I'm going to hold down the Shift key. Then I can click on another piece and you'll notice that both of them are now selected. I'm going to hold on to a third piece, the fourth piece, sometimes it's tricky when they're close together, and the fifth piece. This allows me to select all of the pieces and I want to group them together by right clicking. Now they're all together. And you can see that it took off a little bit of my R there, so I can bring that back. Not sure why that happened. There we go. Making my box a little bit bigger seemed to fix the problem. Now to convert all of these objects selected together as one button, you want to copy this image. And you're going to paste it, but you're going to use the drop down arrow so you can choose the paste special option. There are two different picture options that you can use. You can select a JPEG file or a PNG image. I highly recommend a PNG image, especially for this one, because these corners back here, we want them to show up as transparent whenever I'm working on a blog. And I'll show you the reason for that here. Here's an example of a colored background. And you can notice that on my blog, if I have a colored background, I want these corners to show up, no matter what color my background is, as transparent and show the background color. If I saved it as a JPEG file, the quality also has gone down, but you'll notice that it has all of this white space around it too. So I highly recommend that at least when you're creating a blog button, to go ahead and use the PNG file as a way to transfer it. And then you can click on your image, save as picture, and then save it somewhere in your files that will be easy for you to find again and again. That will also be the same picture that you then upload to your online source. Need to go back and edit something? That's okay. These aren't stuck together forever. You can always right click and you can select ungroup, so you can go back and make the edits that you need because you decided to change your color theme and go a little bit more tropical or a little bit more fuzzy, and you've got options. Thanks for joining me for tutorial part 2. In part 3, I'm going to show you how you upload this picture and then use the code in order to change it to your grab button so others can share it. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.